Okay, so if you remember, L2, L3, L4 innervate the femoral nerve and the obturator nerve. That is these pictures right here. Here's the femoral nerve coming down. Here's the obturator nerve going into the medial upper thigh. So here are the dermatomes of the lower limb, which we need to know. And this is page 470 of Netter's edition 5. This is page 526, 527. Anyway, so here we have L2, L3, L4 on these two sections, and here we have L2, L3, L4. You can see they're in the same pattern as this. And one interesting thing is L4 goes all the way down to the big toe, and you can see L4 going all the way down to the big toe down there too. This can help you memorize the dermatomes and what muscles are being innervated.